everyone, this is Dolly Gupta and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Dolly Gupta, a guide to help you in English. So students, I am getting a good feedback from all of you and I thank you for all the support. I have got comments also, many comments also I have got. So I will try to do my best, and what the requirements are you having, I will try to fulfill all those requirements also. So students, today we are going to start the 9th poem of class 9th standard, The Snake Trying. As the poem name suggests its title, the snake you know very well, and trying means when you are trying to do something, but what the snake is trying into the particular poem, we will read out in the poem. Okay students, whenever it's come to our mind, snake, so how you all feel? You feel fearsome, as snakes are considered dangerous, poisonous and symbol of fearsome, okay, and sometimes it can be a cause of death also. So definitely we all have a fear regarding the snake. Whenever we listen that there is a snake, then we got scared, okay. So what we try? We try always to kill them to keep ourselves safe. So but in the particular poem, snake is itself a victim. He is not killing, he is not biting, he is not dangerous for anyone, but instead of it, he is itself in danger. Okay, so this poem, The Snake Trying, it is composed by W.E. Ross. So students, this is your homework for today. You have to write the full name of W.E. Ross in comment section and tell me. Okay, so now I am going to start the poem. The snake trying to escape the pursuing stick. The snake trying to escape. Escape means to run away, to keep safe or to save itself. The pursuing is to chase or to follow. Stick you know, that is used for hitting. Okay, so in the particular poem, a stick is chasing a snake and the snake is trying to run away from there as it wants to save its life. Okay, so someone, maybe a human being, definitely a human being is having a stick and it is following the snake to kill him, to hit him, and the snake is trying to run away from there. He wants to save himself from that pursuing stick, from that following stick or chasing stick. With sudden curving. Curving is used to sting. As you know that whenever a snake run away or whenever a snake move away, it moves in a curve like this. Okay. Sudden means suddenly. Of thin long body. The body of the snake is very thin and it is quite long. So whenever it is taking the sudden twisting in the body or taking curve of thin body, how beautiful and graceful are his shapes. Shapes is this kind of shape, this and this. The poet is saying that when the snake is trying to run away speedily from there to save itself, the curves he is taking, they are looking very beautiful and definitely they are full of grace. Grace is elegant. Okay. So he glides. Glides is moves like a flow. Flow means with a great speed or sudden like a light. Okay. So as he is trying to save its life, he glides. He moves like a flow. He moves in a great speed through the water away. Through the water away means he is trying to go into the water or he is trying to enter into the water or he is moving near the water. From the stroke. Stroke is to hit. As he is trying to save himself from the hitting of the stick, so he is moving speedily near the water and is trying to enter into the water. As he will enter into the water, he would be out of reach the danger. Oh, let him go over the water. Now the poet is requesting the person who is chasing him, who is following him, means snake, that oh, let him go over the water. Please don't hit him. Please let him go into the reeds. Reeds is a kind of marshy plants, kind of green color marshy plants that grow into the water. Where the great amount of water is there, there you will see that the green color marshy or bushy plants that is long in height, they will grow there, and this like you can say it has a thick stem, but it is having a hole inside like a bamboo. Okay, the stem part is quite hard, but it is empty from the inside. So please let him go. Please don't kill the snake. Let him go, as he is trying to save himself. He will go into the water and he will disappear. He will hide himself into the reeds or into the green plants to hide without hurt. And he would be saved without getting hurt, without harm. He would disappear from there. Okay, so student, I am just summarizing in Hindi also. ये जो स्नेक है इस पर्टिकुलर पोम में वो किसी के लिए हार्मफुल नहीं है, बल्कि वो खुद ही अपनी जान बचाने के लिए भाग रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि कोई एक स्टिक लेके, एक डंडा लेके उसका पीछा कर रहा है उसको मारने के लिए. तो वो बहुत स्पीड से कर्व लेकर, अपनी लॉन्ग बॉडी को कर्व लेकर बहुत स्पीड से वहां से भागने की कोशिश कर रहा है, खुद को बचाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. और उसके जो कर्व है, उसकी जो शेप्स है, वो पोएट को बहुत ग्रेसफुल लग रही है, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लग रही है. एंड वो एकदम मूव्स लाइक अ फ्लो, ग्लाइड्स आया है, मूव्स लाइक अ फ्लो में जिससे बिजली की रफ्तार से बहुत स्पीड से वो वहां से दौड़ता है, भागता है पानी के किनारे या पानी में एंटर करने के लिए, ताकि वो खुद को सेव कर सके. और जो पोएट है वो ओ लेट हिम गो, वो रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा है उस पर्सन से, उस कैंडिडेट से जो उसको फॉलो कर रहा है कि प्लीज उसको जाने दो, प्लीज उसको मत मारो, वो किसी को कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा रहा, उसको पानी में जाने दो. और वो जो मार्शी प्लांट है, जो ग्रीन कलर के प्लांट्स हैं जो पानी में उगे हुए हैं, वो वहां जाके खुद को छुपा लेगा. प्लीज उसको कोई हार्म मत करो. Small and green, he is harmless even to the children. Now the poet is telling about the category of the snake. He is saying that this small and green snake is of green color and it is harmless. Means it is not poisonous. It is not harmful for even the children also. Children are also safe. He will not say anything to anyone. He will not bite, and he is not poisonous. He is not dangerous to anyone. Along the sand he lay until observed and chased away, and now he vanishes in the ripples among the green slim reeds. Along the sand he lay until or unless a person or a candidate or a human being will observe means see, until anyone sees him, he will lay down or he will relax along the sand or near the water bodies or on the bank of any water bodies. He will lay down in the sand and he will rest. But when anyone will see him and will try to kill him, then he will run away from there and chased away. Chased away means when someone will chase him, when someone will follow him or will try to hit him or will try to kill him, then he will run away from there, and now he vanishes. Vanishes is used for disappearing, means out of sight. And when someone will chase him, he will run away and he will disappear. He will be out of the sight and he will disappear in the ripples. Ripples is used. Ripples is a word that is used for the water wave. You have seen if a water body is there, if a great amount of water is there and it is quite still, and you throw a stone or any stick, then there would be movement in the water. So that movement is used as a ripples or water waves. And the other thing is, other meaning is this, that when the snake move, it likes that, okay, and the shapes of the water waves is also like that. So it will disappear in the water waves as its shapes and the water waves will mix up together, okay. Among the green slim reeds, and with the help of those waves, it will disappear into the green slim reeds as the color of the snake is also green, and the marshy plants that are in the water, they are also green, okay. So with the help of the water waves, it will move and it will enter into the long thin reed or marshy plants or like a bamboo plants, it will enter. So definitely it would not be easy to find it out because the color of the plants green and the plant and the color of the snake is also green. So this is the end of the poem, students. I am just explaining in Hindi also. जो पोएट है वो कह रहा है कि उसको जाने दो, वो बहुत हार्मलेस है, वो पॉइजनस नहीं है, वो जहरीला सांप नहीं है, वो बहुत इनोसेंट है, वो बच्चों को भी हार्म नहीं पहुंचाएगा, वो किसी को कुछ नहीं कहेगा, काटेगा नहीं, और वो एक जो वाटर बॉडीज है, समुद्र हो, नदी हो, तालाब हो, उसके किनारे जो रेत होता है वहां आराम से धूप सेकता रहेगा जब तक कि उसको कोई देखेगा नहीं, और जब उसको कोई देखेगा उसका पीछा करेगा तब वो बहुत तेजी से भागेगा, और भागेगा वो पानी के अंदर, और पानी की जो वेव्स होती है उसमें खुद को मिक्सअप कर लेगा अपनी शेप्स को, और वो फिर गायब हो जाएगा कहाँ पर, जो लॉन्ग बैम्बू और घास जो खड़ी है वाटर बॉडीज में उसमें वो एंटर कर लेगा और फिर वो डिसअपियर हो जाएगा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, अब ये पूरा एंड हो चुका है. दिस इज द एंड ऑफ द पोएम एंड आई होप दैट इट हेल्प्ड यू इन योर एग्जाम, और whatever I have explained that has been got by you, or I think that I helped you. So if you like my explanation, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and it's all for the day. Thank you.